In this video, I want to talk about how you can trade XRP on TradingView. Now you want to head over to the supercharts, and inside of here you want to make sure your broker is connected. So click on the trading panel down here and connect your broker. Once you've done this, you can also go on to paper trading, but once you've done this, click up here and just search for XRP. Then you want to select which one you want to do. So you can do it from the XRP USD one, or you can simply do the normal XRP one and you can see this is the crypto ones. So just select them, and you can also sort up here by crypto if you only want to see these. So just simply select one, and you will now be able to come in here. Now keep in mind that some of these cannot be traded on some brokers. So on my paper trading account, you can see I cannot do this one. So you need to make sure that you connect the correct broker to be able to do this. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.